Hey there! In this tutorial, we'll take a look at what to do after running a scan in Giskard. Once you've run the scan, you've got a list of vulnerabilities that were detected in your model. The next step is to generate a test suite using these vulnerabilities. The way to do this in Giskard is to use the scan as fixtures to generate the test suite. To do this, you use results from the scan and call the .generateTestSuite method. This creates a test suite object, which you can then use to run on the model that you just trained. Once you review the outputs from this test suite run, you can then go on and train a new model. Once you've trained a new model, you go ahead with the same procedure. You call testsuite.run using the same test suite as earlier, and you pass the new model that's just been trained. At this point, hopefully, your model or metrics will have improved from your previous run. Thanks for listening.